Kikinig! Natalan niyo ba dati, guys, a few years ago, nag-perform din dito, ako dito, pero as a visual artist. Pero ngayon, it's my very own EB1. So blessed! Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Kaya naman everyone, welcome to my lover boy here. Generous with his time and efforts, and sees to it na you'll feel loved every single day.
Ano yung friend? Ito ba? Ano yung love language mo?
Acts of service. Ano ba? Love language mo? Kahit ano lang mas mo.
Ate ko, basta rated and speechy tayo, okay? Pero first, yung acts of service pala si Brent. So, ano ba, Brent? Pala, halin sundo, gano'n. Ate ko, wait lang, fantasy. Diba? So, kung nag-excited na sila, okay, ito naman, Brent. Gusto ko malaman, kapag may crush ka, anong klaseng Brent yung lumalabas kapag may crush ka?
Ako, feel ko parang yung pinatawa kanina. Shy type or okay. Pero once na mas nag-level na from crush into a life, syempre, sugab na agad.
Ay, good. Isang ano naman, shy type na Brent na aura. Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Kapag may crush ka ba, ikaw ba yung unang nag-chat or dapat hinihinay mo na siya yung mag-chat? Ay?
Ano mo na ako sagot? Siyempre sa sagot.
Uy! Ano yung brand mo na ako? Sabihin.
Low lang. Hi, smiley face.
Hi, Cyrus. Diba? Napakasimple.
Depende kung gaano ka pay.
Okay.
Ano ba? Like, ang bigay ka example.
Okay, let's say for example, mahilig ka ba mag-games?
Yes.
Okay, for example, nag-game ka, tapos sabi niya, kung hindi ko na ako pinakapuso, puro mag-games. Green flag, red flag.
Hindi siya rin talaga kasi baka naman 24/7 lang nasa mobile legends.
Yes,
So,
exactly.
kailangan balance din talaga.
Okay, true. Or what about, nagtatrabaho ka tapos puro miss call kasi hindi ka nagre-reply.
Red flag.
Red flag.
Kasi, syempre, kung sa trabaho, you do what you want person.
Exactly. O diba? Kailangan naman guys, alam niyo yung priorities niya. May work din. Work is work guys. Okay, ito naman. Good morning text. Green flag or red flag? Kasi everyday no miss. Kailangan na good morning text.
Siyempre, green flag. Parang, di ba pag nagising kayo, di ba pag nagising kayo, gusto nyo nag-update, di ba? Ano? Very minimum na naman, no?
Sa tingin mo ba, very minimum yung good morning text, friend?
For me.
Very minimum, diba? Diba guys, very minimum yun? Would you say? Yes? Okay. Ito naman, seryosa. Green flag or red flag?
Gano'n ka lang silosa?
Okay, ganun ko seryosa guys. Bigyan niyo kami ng scenario. O ito, nakikinig-interview kita, tapos galit siya kasi nag-interview kasi babae ako. Ganon.
Red flag.
O diba, red flag?
Paano kung may girl best friend?
Oh, girl best friend. Green flag, red flag.
Straight up from your action. Ayaw ko ba?
Red flag daw to.
Red flag?
Okay.
Siya no best friend mo naman.
Ay, green flag, red flag guys. Red flag pa rin, siya doon his best friend daw. Sabi niya. Okay, ito naman. Dapat lagi everyday may update. Green flag, red flag.
It depends. Kasi baka malay mo, she's looking after your safety, di ba? So,
Yes.
I think green flag.
Ito, last but not the least, naka-on yung location. Green flag, red flag.
Ano? Para makakasal. Kung tawag sila, red flag?
Uy! Red flag.
Ikaw ba? Ayan na.
Yung sa akin naka-on.
I think kung mutually na pag-agreean nyo naman na gawin yun, I guess, safe nyo na.
Yes, diba? At least looking out for each other's safety. Yun yung important. I love it, diba? May mga green flag, red flag segment tayo. Pero syempre, ito naman, Brent. As a lover boy or as a lover, anong klaseng jowa si Brent Manalo?
So, ako I always make sure na hindi lang sa mga bigranting bagay mapapakita. Even the simple, trivial things na, di ba minsan hindi mo realize until it's gone. Parang doon ganun ako magbigay ng pagmamahal. And, I show up. Yun. And I make sure I show up.
Actually, okay. Ito, Brent. Gusto ko malaman. Ano yung biggest effort mo na ginawa mo ever para sa isang babae?
Biggest effort?
Biggest effort. Na para sa mga shocks, hindi lang ito Brent Manalo, lover boy na to. Ganon. Sabi na lang yun.
Sige nga.
Sabi na lang, okay, sige, sige. Well, of course, guys, that ends our lover boy talking segment. Pero tutuloy natin. This time, let's make it more fun and exciting. Kasi syempre, Brent, maraming tao dito na syempre, matagal na gusto sabihin yung mga feelings nila para sa'yo. So, kaya meron iba sweet, meron smooth. So, hindi na ang ating pick-up line segment. And this is called Flirty or Thirsty. So, syempre, simple lang yung mechanics natin. All we have to do is look at our LED screen, okay? Okay, tatayo ako para makita naman ng lahat, okay? And then, Brent, dyan ka lang. Okay? So then, Brent, okay, let's see. Okay, pwede mo masahin, Brent, are you ready?
Chicken ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw lang nasa puso ko kahit chicken mo. Sabay ako! Chicken ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ikaw lang nasa puso ko kahit chicken mo ba?
Uy, guys, sabihin mo rin bakit? Okay.
I would say it's 30.
30. Cute naman siya.
answer. Buwan ka ba? Kasi kahit malayo ka, gusto kong lagi kita nakikita. I like this one too, kasi ano may mood lover. Gusto ko rin ito sa
Ay, sana sabihin.
Okay, next. 30.
Okay, flirty. Okay, next up, we have Go Brent.
From any fool, would you rather be a baby goat or a matter baby? Would you rather be a baby goat or a matter baby?
What's the matter with you?
Matter baby.
Okay, ito yung context, Brent. Ito yung context. Kailangan mo sabihin, what's the matter, baby? Ganon, okay. Try mo, Brent.
What's the matter baby? Okay.
Yes, ganun yun. Okay, ito. What's the matter, baby?
What's the matter baby?
Oh, Brent. Oh, Brent.
Ano yung masahe? Anong bashing ka tayo?
Basher.
From one infinity. Para sa akin, pangit ka. But, pangit is silent. Para sa akin ka. Para sa akin ka rin. Okay, 30.
30. Okay, approve kay Brent. Ito naman. I think this is our last. Okay? Let's see. Sabihin mo na, Brent. Or gusto mo ba isang funny na magsasabi sa'yo? Tara. Ikaw? Sabihin mo na. Okay, are you ready? Sabihin mo mga dapat kikiligin si Brent dito. Kikiligin yan, te.
Okay.
Brent, 30 or 60?
Next 130, grabe.
130. Tayo sa 130 talaga. Ito talaga si RJ di Asus. Alam mo ba, Brent, pwede ka magiging hand-high? Okay. Pero syempre, ito naman, Brent. Tinakaya ka ba ng loverboy droppers mo yung mga pick-up lines na yun? Yes.
Ganda. Ganda. Oh, ba't ka nakikinig? Ganda. Ang sabi mo sa ano ba? Ito ang pinakamagandang babae.
Pero, nakita ko pinilit ka eh. Pinilit ka sa Instagram, nakita ko.
Nakakita nga ako!
Nakaka? Hawak mo!
AI baby! Pero, seryoso yun. Ikaw naman masaya. Ikaw naman masaya ka.
Basta nakapagpahinga ako, okay na rin ako. Thank you so much, girl. Napaka-supportive naman talaga ng girlfriend ni Brent for scene number 3. Okay, next up, player number 4. Please enter. Hindi ako mag-isipan.
Magugustuhan ka nun. Magugustuhan ka nun. Tara, pakilala na kita ngayon. Girlfriend ko. Okay na.
I love your guts! Grabe! May ano po, special participation. Congratulations! Player number 4!
Baby, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Sorry na. Hindi naman sinasadya makalimutan yung anniversary natin eh.
Sobrang importante ng date kayo, tapos nakalimutan mo na.
Alam mo kung bakit ko nakalimutan?
Bakit?
Anong valid ka rin sa hindi siya magagalit? Ano gusto kong gawin ko? Di ba? Dapat bukas pa to eh. Baby,
Bakit ka nakagawa?
will you marry me?
Yes! Congratulations to all of our 5 players!
Thank you so much, John. Okay? And syempre, yung rose natin.
Mars from 2018 pa to. So mga more than almost 10 years ago, pero fan na si Ina. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Ina.
Thank you, sir. Ako pag-graduate ka na, sabi ko na yung medal.
Yes. Okay, let's have a quick photo of Ina and Brent. Girl, this is 2018 si Ina. Perfect. Okay. We also have Ina, our rose for you from Brent. May sarili daw siya camera. Okay, go. Thank you so much, Ina. And of course, Brent, last but not the least.
Another long one.
Okay, go.
From Annie. A-L-L-Y.
A-L-L-Y. Ali, is that you? Na naka-black? Okay, that's her. Hi, Miss Ali. Okay, there you go.
Kasi proud.
Sabi niya, Hi Brenty, my 29 years of existence ngayon ako naging fan girl. Deserve mo na success because we know you have a good heart. Thank you, Annie. Thank you. Ngayon na talaga. Kahit Gongyu, kahit Lino.
Thank you so much, Miss Ali. Of course, your photo of with Brent. And last but not the least, of course, yung rose natin from Brent. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support sa
Yung gratitude hindi mawawala talaga. Yung parang, ano ba nabibigay ko sa mga tao to for them to support me this much, for them to love me this much. Anyways.
Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat for your support kay Brent. And gusto ko lang sabihin, ito kasi si Brent, sobrang hardworking niya as a person and very genuine and down to earth. Like, I think nakilala kita last year, tama? And I swear, after kahit naging big winner na siya, never siya nag-change ever. So parang sobrang deserve mo talaga yung support and all the love that you're getting, Brent. Kaya palakpakan po natin, Brent Manalo, guys. Na never ever nag-change ever. Kahit naging big winner na siya ng PBB Collab Season 1, sobrang bait and down to earth pa rin niya. You deserve the love, Brent. And syempre, yung narinig natin stories are from supporters and your fans. But I think now it's time to hear your stories as Brent Manalo dito. Or of course, the stories behind your segment or your music. Kaya naman in this segment, we will be taking a trip down your whole EP, track by track, emotion by emotion, story by story. And we have to know ano ba ang inspiration mo behind these songs. Kaya this is called the Lover Boys Playlist, ang bagong era ni Brent Manalo. Okay, so again, kwentuhan lang to, we're gonna learn more about him and the songs that he wrote. Kaya naman, Brent, first of all, congratulations. Grabe, number 1 siya on, I think, iTunes PH album charts when it first came out noong May 15. Grabe, ano na-feel mo? Na-imagine mo ba, Brent, ever na, shucks, number 1 yung EP ko.
Hindi talaga. Pero yun, of course, it's because of them. So, thank you guys so much for buying the album and iTunes PH. Means so much na mag-number 1 siya. So, thank you po.
And I think, Brent, nakita ko rin sa story mo kanina that we are so happy because Loverboy EP reached an all-time high of 100,000 streams for Loverboy. Sino yung nag-stream na? Lahat present sa streams. Brent, anong nakikil mo? 100,000 streams na.
Wow, as in, wow. It's only been out for a few days, pero grabe yung 100,000. Pag-convert po into cash. Pero yeah, grabe, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nakinig. Nang paulit-ulit, lalo na yung mga nag-station head pa, alam ko, sino-sino kayo, maraming salamat po. And sana, pakinggan po natin na paulit-ulit. Just to feel good about ourselves. And kung may minamahal mo kayo or hoping for a lover, yan, street lover boy.
Okay, Brent. So, sinabi mo sa akin kanina that you were perform as a pre-show artist. And gusto ko lang malaman, dream mo ba ever since maging singer, to have an album? Was this always a goal of yours?
Before, hindi talaga. I mean, yung singing experience ko lang ever was in high school, elementary, nung nag-choir ako, one grade. So, I never saw myself as na parang you just have to find the right sound for you. And pag nahanap mo yun, you're gonna miss it. And true enough, yun, na pag-lising namin, nakapili namin ng songs.